explanation for letting you go. And you were right all along. I'd miss you bad when you're gone. I finally opened my eyes, and now I'm standing alone. And now that I want you, you're moving on. I try to call you, but nobody's home. I didn't notice till you went away. I'm always a day too late. When you were into me, I didn't wanna be bothered, but now I finally see. But you moved on to another. Now honestly I get the reason why you left, but damn, I wish I had you back. 'Cause now that I want you, you're